Hi guys, this is Mohalingam from Infotech Coder. Today we will share about how to create a attractive report by using Power BI tool. Before we going that process, I wish to show how to install Power BI desktop from your local desktop. Okay, first open one web browser and type it to powerbi.microsoft.com. I am given that link to below description. Please find it. After entering, just select products and select Power BI desktop option. Here we need to select see download or language options. After that page load, you want to select language. Yeah, the inbuilt is set it to a language, so select language and check it your system requirement whether it's working for your system or not. It is supported for 32-bit and 64-bit. or it worked for, I think it worked for all Windows. And after satisfying a pre-requirement, just download it. I already download and installed it, so I no need to download again. Okay, just go to your desktop and click it to a Power BI desktop option. It takes some time. Meantime, we get a data source from web. Okay, so go to browser and type it to IMF World Economic Outlook Database April 2020 and select second one hyperlink. Lot of web sources are available in internet, so use anyone. I am using this one. Okay, I scroll down and I need to countries details, so I select country by country option. Scroll down and I need all countries details, so select all countries and next query. Okay, it have totally 194 countries, so select and continue. I wish to create a report for gross domestic product content price, so I select this one and continue, put it to continue option. Yeah, I wish to show 2014 to 2021 data, so I select this one. This is for your wish. Okay, select prepare report option. Now your required web source report are prepared. Go and see how it is appear like. Okay, now it's looking good. So if you wish to download the report your local system, means you directly click on download report option. I wish to use web link, so I select this hyperlink and go to Power BI. No need to sign in Power BI. Okay, just click cancel option and here one option is there, right? Get data. Just click it and click web option. Now I need to paste that URL to this box and click it to OK. Yeah, now the connection is created automatically from local desktop to web source report. This navigator section commonly provide two type of table. I show how to differentiate two type of table. Okay, just click it to table 1. Now data is loaded. Yeah, all the data are arranged in this format. So here you show like two empty columns. Okay, I show how to remove that empty columns. This is on table view. Web view lessons is directly navigate to web link. Yeah, here you show like a report. Option 2, table have the same data, only difference is the empty columns are not there. Yeah, like that. Okay, yeah, here I wish to select table 1. Here I need to remove two empty columns, so I select transform data option. Yeah, now the data is ready to modification. Here I don't want this column 1, column 2, column 3 names, so I need to change tables first row as an heading. So I select use first row as a header option. Now it's automatically changed, some script over there, right? Yeah, now all the data are changed. Here I wish to remove two empty columns. So I just right click and select remove option. Same for remaining one. Okay, now it all are fine. Here all the years are arranged in separate columns. So I wish to arrange all the years in single column, like concatenation operation. Okay, select all these years, control select all these years in between 2014 to 2021. 19, 20, 21. Okay, now I select all the columns, go to a transform section and select unpivot columns. It all are arranged in single row, single columns. Yeah, 2014, 15, 18 all are arranged in single column. Okay, now I change data types. Country name is actually as a text data type, so no need to change. Subject description also in text. Percentage is also in text format, no need to change. In attribute, change this name, rename it to a year. Just click rename year. Year data type is like whole number, so I select whole number. The values, so like a decimal fraction, so I select decimal. Yeah, now it fine. Now it change are reflected in all the rows and columns. Okay, all are changed. Okay, now we can apply the changes to the source table. So we go to home section and close and apply. Select close and apply option. Now all the changes are made to date source. Take some time. It's so like a error from a, don't worry about it, just to close it. Yeah, one thing I forgot to say guys. In Power BI totally have three type of sections. One is report and another one is data and model section. Data report section show the data like and visual representation manner. Data like a data section show a data like tabular format. It used to find model used to find some relationship between the tables. First I show how to data appear like visual manner. Okay, just I click it to bar chart option. Now one chart is pasted. I able to sort of like just I drag and drop to middle window and I maximize the size. Chart selection for your wish you wish to show select like the column chart likewise. Okay, I just select country as an access point. You need no need values years as an yeah. All the data are visible now. You wish to show a bar chart, pie chart. A lot of options there to show your data in different color and a differentiate how to differentiate a different manner. Okay, lot of options there. So select all this one how to appear data like expected manner. Okay, just to scroll down. Yeah, just to select values as well. Yeah, now it shows like all the values. Okay, Power BI tool also have global positioning option also like geographical location. Yeah, I show it. Click on map option and I select only a country value. Yeah, all the values are appear like that. You wish to show an year means just click a year option and find it to a specific country means it's so like countries in Russia, years and 16140 like that. Next one is data mode. Data mode show like a data in tabular format. Yeah, all the data are appear like that. Data mode. Okay, that's all guys. If you have any doubt means please feel free to comment it to me. I will try to respond immediately. Thank you.